Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I have finished my design team project for Deb at Artzology, so I wanted to share it with you. I went ahead and made a little envelope folder folio thingy. I got the inspiration for that from G. Kerr, so I will put a link to her video that I watched down in the description box, so you can check that out. And I filled it up with all the goodies that I had made. So let's go ahead and look at this. I just have a piece of seam binding around, you know, just to kind of hold it closed, but it's not attached, because my thought was that whoever purchases this could use all of the bits and pieces and, you know, embellishments in a journal, and then this could actually be part of, you know, could be a page in a journal if they wanted it to be. So I have attached a couple paper clips up to the top on the top here, but those come off, and I corner rounded this piece of coffee dyed cardstock. I, of course, added the adorable little alpaca to the front, and that is on vellum. And I distressed the edges after I tore it out, and then I put a piece of tea bag paper behind there, and this paper clip comes off as well. And then you have just a little fabric ruffle down here with a little bit of bling. I love that. And then the back has a pocket that I made with one of the pieces from the Woodland add-on kit. And inside that is the little piece that I made in one of my Craft With Me videos. And I will just quickly show you that. It's it can be a journaling card or a tuck spot. And then inside we have a couple pieces here. So we have a couple tickets that come in the kit. And then I made this little bitty tag with a little bit of lace. And then this little card here with my favorite little guy. I should give him a name, but I don't know yet. And then I just put some flowers up at the top, and you can journal on the back of that. And then that just tucks, you know, for now, tucks into this little pocket. But like I said, whoever gets this would probably take all the pieces out and, you know, do something else with them, would be my guess. And then here we have the inside. So I have another little piece. Well, let's take this out first. So I made a pocket here out of another one of the cards that comes in the kit. And then I just put one of the paper clips here. And then here's our little tag journal thing I couldn't come up with a name for, but I got this idea from Maddie at Spectrum Art, so I will link that again below. We've got a little rose brad up at the top, just holding that lace on, so you could take that off if you wanted to. And then a little bit of satin ribbon ruffle there, and then you've got a bunch of pages inside, and then just a couple of them are decorated. And another tag in the middle, and then some more pages. These are just blank, and then the back has the little pocket, and then I just added some pieces from the kit into there for more journaling space. And then that goes in this pocket, but underneath this paper clip, well, here I added a little pink fabric ruffle there, and then you have this piece that I had made earlier, and I just clipped that onto the paper clip up there, and then this tucks in here. And then on this side I used 3 of the envelopes that come in the add-on kit. I printed them out on regular copy paper, and then I backed them with coffee dyed copy paper. So they're a little thicker, but they're not, you know, they're not quite as thick as like a cardstock. And then this one tucks into this little piece of washi from the kit to hold that closed. And then we'll start at the top because it's probably easier. each of these is also a pocket behind the envelope. So up at the top one, I just added 3 of the full-size tickets that had been coffee dyed on the back, and I distressed around the edges. So those go up top. If I can get them back in there. And then I have a paper clip attached to that as well, so that'll have to be removed before you can open the envelope. And then in this pocket behind this envelope, we have this piece that I had made, not on camera, but I had showed it, just with a couple little tags and tickets in there. And then this little envelope opens up and there's a little card inside there. Let's see if I can do that real quick. There's just a little card inside there. And I'll tie that back up. And then we have some pearls on the side, and this was just a paper ruffle that I made with some Tim Holtz paper. And then in this pocket, I made this off camera as well. I just took one of the full-size journaling cards from that kit, and I added a vellum. I made a sticker out of this vellum piece and attached that in the middle, and then I just made a pocket out of some crocheted lace. And then inside, I added a couple of the cards in a couple different sizes. Oops. And then two tags here that I added brads to, and a little bit of lace. And then a large ticket with a birdie on it, and that goes in the back. All right, so we'll put all that away in a second. So these are all just attached, on 3 sides. So you have pockets behind, and then all the envelopes also have items inside. So this one is in there. And if you remember, I had showed this before. I just added a little bit of sheer ribbon as a bow here. And there's some masking paper behind that image, and then I stamped an acorn, and then I made this little flower out of washi, and there's a little bit of Wink of Stella glitter in a couple places. You'll actually find that throughout. I added it. There's a little bit on the flowers here on this, and I can't remember where else I found it or added it, but it's just in a couple different places. I just like how it adds a little bit of glitter and glitz. So then that just tucks behind there, and this paper clip went here, and I think this one was up here. We're gonna do that anyway, even if it wasn't. And then in this one, we have this piece that I had, again, this is just a piece of vellum in the middle of a journaling card. And then I stamped some mushrooms on there. You have a little ticket here with some of the washi and some masking paper behind it. And then a fabric ruffle and a little bit of bling. And as you can see, some of this coffee dyed paper has some polka dots from the pan I used. I just love how that came out. I need to make more of that because I think I've used it all because I love it so much. I love polka dots, so anything polka dot, I get very happy. So that tucks behind that envelope, and then this one goes in there. Let me just tie this up real quick. Okay, and then this one, like I said, just tucks under that piece of washi, and then we have this little journaling card. I added a large piece of washi on this side, and this comes in the kit, and that's the actual size. So when I say large, I just mean that's the actual size because I did resize a lot of the images. So some of it is just a little bit smaller in different places, but I added one of the little cards, and I think there's some Wink of Stella on the branches of that plant. I don't know if this is coming through at all, but it's there. It's like a gold color. And then a little vellum ticket, little deer. I put some lace behind there and some flat back pearls on the side. And then you have, you know, journaling space in the back. So, yeah, I mean, this could be completely deconstructed. You could cut around, you know, you could cut this page off and add, you know, you could do all kinds of things. If you purchase this, you know, you could just do whatever you want with it, honestly. Leave it the way it is. But I thought it was just kind of cute, you know, a cute way to hold all of the bits and pieces that I had made, you know, for my design team project. So I hope you like it. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop. By the time this video is uploaded, it will also be listed. So you can go check that out if you're interested. And I want to thank Deb again for allowing me to be a part of her design team, and I look forward to my next project. I'm already thinking about it, so it will be coming up soon. I have a couple more things to do before that, and I'm sure I will be back to share with you. And in the meantime, I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend, and yeah, I'll be back. Till next time, guys. Bye.